Hi guys, welcome to the Formless Guide, where we build that formless nature that lies within us all. Today, we're going to do a 10-minute practice. It's going to be that of presence, a guided meditation encouraging mindfulness, building self-awareness, creating change. Now, before we begin this meditation, first, we stretch. It's very important that you stretch. And it can be stretching in a sitting position or a standing position. You can start like this. Reach upwards. And as you reach upwards, look upwards. This is projecting full alignment for your spine, creating that core connection, relaxing those muscles and bones so that you can find your capable center. Now, with that being said, after that stretch, now we move into moving sideways. And what does this do? This helps relax the hips. It helps create that relaxation in that unconscious tension area, which we call the sacrum. So you can do this. And as you do this, stretch one arm up all the way to the other side. Hold it for 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now for the next side. 1, 2, 3, 4. And as you're doing this, relax your head. Feel it as it decompresses. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And now we have stretched. With that being said, we shall now encourage the meditation, finding that center. Take a deep breath in and exhale. In through the nose, out through the mouth. In through the mouth, out through the nose. And as you find this center, you can repeat this breathing pattern as many times as you need to. But when you find this center, I want you to begin to relax. Your arms, your legs, your shoulders, wherever you feel tension might be, give them space to be free. Breathe out that tension as it guides you, as it shows you where physically, mentally, emotionally, spiritually, psychologically, who and where you are. It gives you insight into the truth of the pain you're harboring, of the turmoil you do not see it,